The Paging Widget works in combination with a navbar widget to create website-like navigation within your short stack campaign. Clicking the navigation will show and hide the content on each page. To set this up, start by adding a Paging Widget to your campaign. The Paging Widget acts sort of like a container to which you can add subcontainers to house the content that will display on each page. This Enter Now container is already set up, so I'll add it to the Paging Widget as is. Next, I'll add a container that will display some information about my giveaway's prize. Make sure you place the container widget within the Paging Widget. And lastly, a container displaying the rules. Next, add a navbar widget. In the navbar widget menu, select the Paging Widget to connect it to and click Synchronize Links Now. You'll now see that the container widgets you've added to your Paging Widget are automatically added as links in your navbar widget in the middle section. You can move these links to the left or right section by clicking the icon on the left side and dragging that particular link into the section of your choice. You'll notice that some or all of the navigation links are named container. To edit what appears on the navigation link, edit the name of the container. Now, to test your Paging Widget, click Preview at the top of the builder. Click each navigation link to make sure it's displaying the content you'd like.